Welcome all. In this video we will see how to hide and unhide text in image. So the process of hiding some data in a file is one of the tricks used in steganography. Hiding text within an image file is one of the tricks used in steganography. So let's see how to hide a message or a text in an image file. For that we will need a image, so I will download an image from on my own Twitter account. So let's save this image at my desktop, naming it my image. Save. Now the process is choose an image file. So we have already downloaded an image file. The process that is written here is for Windows operating system, and I am currently using Ubuntu operating system or a Linux based operating system, so there will be little bit variation in both the process. So place this image in one of the drives in your computer system. So I have placed my image in my desktop, at my desktop. Now the third step is open command prompt, which in Windows operating system can be opened by pressing Windows plus R, typing CMD for command prompt and then press enter key. But in Ubuntu or Linux based operating system we will open our terminal by typing terminal. So here I have opened my terminal. Now the fourth step is you should go to your image where it is located. So in my PC the image is located at my desktop, so I will move to my desktop, and when I'm list here I can see my image is located at my desktop. Now the next step is, which is the most important step to save any text or any message in a media file and to achieve the process of steganography. So type following command very carefully, and this command is common for both operating system, which is Windows, Mac OS or Linux based operating system. So the command is echo, then double quotes, under double quotes your message, whatever message you want to save in the image file, and then we will be directing that message into our image. So let me save a message in my image. So echo double quotes Shubham Lashkan image, this is my message, and then double quotes and then the name of image, which is my image.jpg. Before pressing enter I want to show you that currently this image does not have any message. So let's open it with a text editor so we can see the message. Open with where is my text editor? Yeah, here is the text editor. Setting is as default. Now when I open it with my text editor, you have to scroll till the end of the file. Currently there is not any message shown here, so let's execute our command. Now the command is executed. The message Shubham Lashkan image will be appended at the end of the file. So open this file, scrolling down till the end of the file, and you can see the message Shubham Lashkan image has been saved or hide in any media file. In our case it is a text image file. So this is how you achieve or you can hide and unhide text in image. So if you want to unhide the text, you have to delete that message from there, and it can be unhidden from the image. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much.